So you want to make money with crypto. You don't have any money to invest and you just don't know how to get into it. Let me show you how you can get into the next best thing. On my screen now is Pi. It's a project that's been in development for 3 years and is now in the process of KYCing all of its users and migrating from testnet to mainnet. If you follow the link below, you can join the network. You can start mining today. We have 35 million plus users and Pi is about to go live. Don't miss out on this awesome opportunity to start making money with crypto without any investment at all. Invite your friends, build your network, raise your mining rate, and get in on cryptocurrency while you can.